The full-size Yukon matches its Chevy rivals in terms of passenger and baggage capacity, but it is designed to reflect a more luxurious lifestyle. There are 3 rows of seats inside that can accommodate up to 8 persons. All 2025 Yukon models include a huge infotainment screen with GMC's most recent infotainment interface, and we found the system simple to operate. The SLE, SLT, and AT4 versions all have a big screen in the center of the dash, but the Denali's is surrounded by shiny chrome and integrated into the dash for a more elegant appearance. Standard features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity and a Wi-Fi hotspot, and navigation, and a Bose audio system are available. There is plenty of cargo room, particularly in the larger XL model, which can accommodate up to 145 cubic feet of cargo when all seats are folded down. The standard length Yukon offered greater space for 6 carry-on baggage behind the third-row seats than its rival, the Ford Expedition Max. The 5.3-liter GMC Yukon offers 355 horsepower and the 6.2-liter model offers 420 horsepower. GMC also provides a 3.0-liter turbodiesel inline-six with 460 pound-feet of torque, which is ideal for buyers wishing to tow heavy objects. All models include a 10-speed automatic transmission controlled by dash buttons and are available with either rear or all-wheel drive. An off-road focused AT4 variant is also available, which incorporates a 2-speed transfer case, 20-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, underbody skid plates, and an optional air suspension that provides 2 inches additional ground clearance. Safety features of the 2025 GMC Yukon include a rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, rain sensor, lane departure warning, rear pedestrian detection, parking assist, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assistance, automatic high-beam headlights, safety alert seat, rear collision warning, super cruise control, automatic reverse emergency braking, front and rear parking sensors, surround view camera system, and head-up display.